This is how you go from just a single sentence to a full video in a few minutes with free AI tools. AI text-to-video tools are getting better and better. Some channels here on YouTube make money just by utilizing these AI tools to create interesting visual content. In today's video, I'll be sharing some important AI tools that would help you create a Pixar-type video animation from just a simple text prompt. This isn't like your typical AI text-to-video generator. You would be able to create several animated scenes in several different styles just like these for free. Instead of creating static images with AI and trying to animate them with tools like CapCut, these AI tools would do a better job for you by animating the entire scene. So, let's start with the first AI tool. This is Moon Valley AI, and it's in its beta phase. Maybe by the time you're seeing this video, they would have launched the final version. Moon Valley AI is similar to Midjourney, but instead of generating static images, it generates moving pictures. If you're new to this website, all you have to do is click on Join Beta or sign in with your Discord account. There's a link to join in the video description below. You're going to be redirected to their Discord server. Any of the new Moon groups would get you access to start creating videos with the AI tool. To create a video, all you have to do is type /create followed by the prompt or description of what you want the AI to create. The more coherent and detailed your prompt is, the better the quality of the output. After typing in the prompt, you have to select a style from the list provided. And then the last thing is to select how long you want the video to be. And then hit enter. Short duration would be between 1 to 3 seconds long, while long duration would be between 4 to 5 seconds long. Depending on the complexity of the prompt and the length of the video, the wait time may vary between 2 to 5 minutes. This is the result for my text prompt. It is similar to what I imagined. To download, just use the icon in the top right corner of the video generation. In some cases, you may get very weird video outputs like these. The reason could be that the AI tool doesn't completely know what to do about your text prompt, or it doesn't quite understand your text prompt, because it's incoherent, and some of the phrases you included should not go together in the first place. Assuming you want to make a movie, all you have to do is come over to ChatGPT and ask it to help you write a story on a certain title. And then you also ask ChatGPT to write a detailed description for each of the scenes of the story. To go a step further, you can also ask ChatGPT to write text-to-image prompts for all the scenes as well. ChatGPT text-to-image prompts are not the best, so you have to make some adjustments when you're using it to generate images or videos with AI tools like Moon Valley. To create the full story, you would have to copy-paste and generate video clips for each scene until all the scenes for the story is complete. You can then use an AI text-to-speech tool, like the ones I discussed in this video here, to convert your story script into a voiceover narration. Next is to edit everything together in a video editor like CapCut or Clipchamp, and then make some minor changes. Another AI tool similar to Moon Valley is Pika Labs. It's very similar to Moon Valley AI. There's a link in the description of this video to join their Discord server, where you can generate and download AI animations for free. To create an animation, all you have to do is type on your keyboard /generate, followed by the text prompt. Results are impressive, and the AI automatically chooses the style that would be applied to the video, unlike Moon Valley, which gives you some style options. Wait for some time, and the video would be generated. Sometimes this tool nails the visuals. Pika Labs is still in beta and the final version might be much better than this. But there's also another AI tool that would not only generate mute visuals, it would generate the script, create the AI voiceover, generate the visuals, and also edit the entire video together for you. That's where the third AI tool comes into the picture. The third AI tool on the list is Fliki AI Text-to-Video Generator. Fliki AI is among the best AI text-to-video generators. You can use it to create videos directly from your script by generating an AI voiceover and easily adding or editing scenes according to the content. But they've included an AI magic tool that can take an idea and turn it into a video. You can ask the AI to use already existing stock videos and images or generate new images from scratch using AI image generation. So I'm on the Fliki AI website right now. If you're new to the website, all you have to do is log in and create a new Fliki account with your Google account. After logging into your dashboard, come over to this new file button over here. Select video file type. Pick the aspect ratio, give the video project a name, make sure you've chosen your preferred language, and then you can submit. You're going to be redirected to this interface right here where you're going to be able to create your videos. You can start with ordinary text-to-video generation. The left-hand side is where you add layers to your video project. You can add scenes, audio files, or other media to the project. You can add text and customize the scenes as you like, and generate AI voiceovers for each scene. The video preview for the project would be shown here. I'm more interested in the AI Magic Create tools that generates full video content from single text prompts, blogs and websites, presentation slides or tweets. The Idea to Video tool lets you provide a single text prompt and then it generates the video script, voiceover, and visuals. I'm going to provide an idea and then select Auto-Generate AI Art for Scenes. These are a number of art styles to choose from, and I would pick a style and hit Submit. Give the AI some time, and the video project would be set up. These are the AI-generated scenes with the text and AI-generated image for each scene. To create a YouTube Shorts video, all you have to do is set up a new project with portrait aspect ratio. Click on Magic Create, give the AI an idea, select an art style for the AI to generate with, and then submit. Wait for some time and then you're ready to preview and download your AI-generated video. As you can see in this preview, transition effects and animations have been applied to the video.
Consistent exercise. Meet yourself at your most powerful. Exercise, the magic key to your untapped potential. Unraveling the mysteries of our feline friends. Cats have been with humans for close to 9,500 years. Their domestication story is intriguing.
Some AI tools are still in the pipeline and would soon be fully developed. Thanks for watching.